Breathing easy at home should be simple enough. Unfortunately, some gases, such as radon and carbon monoxide, are colorless and odorless but also hazardous if inhaled. The good news is that indoor air quality monitors may detect such gases in the home, as well as identify additional pollutants, including volatile organic compounds and airborne particulate matter like dust and pollen. These devices can be a consumer's first alert to safety. Just keep in mind that not all air quality monitors detect all harmful pollutants. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best air quality monitors you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. IQAir AirVisual Pro Air Quality Monitor. The AirVisual Pro syncs with smart home systems using either Wi-Fi or IFTTT. We tested both, and both worked well. The best thing about this monitor is its large visual display screen. It's nice to be able to check the app, but in our opinion, it's even better to see a visual display at a glance without having to use a smartphone first. Another plus. This monitor gathers outside air quality ratings via local weather reports and displays them prominently. The air quality monitor also detects CO2 levels, temperature, and humidity. We tested the CO2 sensor by putting the monitor in the garage and blowing puffs of smoke on it from our beehive smoker. When we put the AirVisual monitor in our test box and shook a dust mop over it, all 3 p.m. sensor readings spiked, which indicated that it was detecting a range of particulate matter sizes. Number 4. Airthings 2930 Wave Plus Radon and Air Quality Monitor. The first test we performed on the Wave Plus was in a friend's home where radon was previously detected and is being treated. They have a professional radon detector, so we wanted to see if the Wave Plus would also detect the gas. We positioned it in the basement of the home and left it there for a week. We then tested the Wave Plus in our test box where we exposed it for 2 hours to a dish of oil-based stain, a product that contains Vox. When we checked the monitor, the light was red, indicating hazardous air quality, and on the app we saw that the TVOC reading had spiked. We also compared the monitor's temperature and humidity readings to those of the other monitors, which were consistent. Number 3. Airthings 292 Wave Mini Indoor Air Quality Monitor. To measure chemical pollutants in the air without spending a lot, consider the well-priced Wave Mini. We tested a model independently from the one in our best overall pick, and to keep the two monitor tests separate, we downloaded another Airthings app on a different smartphone to track it. Unfortunately, the two minis interfered with one another, so we disconnected the Airthings house kit and then tested the Wave Mini separately. The Wave Mini offers visual indication of air quality in the room, which is accessible when the user waves a hand in front of the monitor. A light flashes green for health, yellow for caution, and red for poor air quality. After spending a few hours exposed to a dish of oil-based stain in a closed box, the monitor's TVOC levels spiked. When we compared its temperature and humidity readings to other monitors being tested, the readings were comparable. We believe it accurately portrayed all 3 readings. Number 2. Temtop M10 Air Quality Monitor. The Temtop detects TVOCs, and it specifically detects formaldehyde. Its formaldehyde reading increased when we put an oil-based stain in the test box. Its TVOC numbers also increased, since formaldehyde is also a VOC. The TVOC numbers were consistent with the TVOC readings of the other monitors. In addition, its red light alerted us that the air quality was poor. To detect particulate matter, we shook a dust mop over the box and let the dust and debris fall while we watched the PM readings. Temtop's PM number tripled about 10 minutes later, which we felt was a good indicator of accurately sensing the dust. The number dropped after about 25 minutes as the dust settled. We considered the light to be a bit too small and not bright enough, not easily noticeable unless we stood within a few feet of the device. Number 1. Airthings 4200 House Kit. The Airthings 4200 House Kit offers a fairly complete way to keep track of potential problems in the household air. It includes the Airthings Wave 2nd Generation, the Wave Mini, and the Airthings Hub. Prior to testing, we downloaded the Airthings app to our smartphone and followed the steps to set up the monitors via Bluetooth. That was simple. The app detected and automatically synced with the monitors. We like the Airthings house kit but wish the monitors would have displayed the green, yellow, or red lights full time rather than only when we waved our hand in front of them. We found the Airthings monitors to be easy to set up, and they offered fairly accurate readings. Still, they don't test for either carbon monoxide or particulate matter, so if such detection is important, a different monitor may be a better choice. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.